Many of us have seen videos on YouTube where people say you can make money by listening to music online. In this video, I'll tell you the truth about listening to music online to make money, how to do it using real websites, and what you can expect. I'm sure most of us are tired of watching YouTube tutorials that only give false information. They say you can make hundreds of dollars a day and a very good full-time income, but you find out later that they lied to get you to watch their videos, to show you the easiest way possible to make money online. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when we post a new video about how to make money online, and you can start right away. Also, please give a big thumbs up to this video. Let's go back to watching the video. Recently, I've been getting a lot of questions on the channel about legal ways to make money online while listening to music. So in this video, I've put together a list of 5 real and doable ways to make money while enjoying music. In addition to showing you 5 different ways to do this, I'll also tell you how much money you can expect to make, so you can decide if this is the best opportunity for you. Before I give you a list of websites that will let you make money while you listen to music, I just want to be clear about how much you can expect to make by doing this. Because as I said before, there are a lot of videos on YouTube that make it seem like you can make a lot of money and make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day. The information in those videos, however, is not true. Most of the time, they just say anything that will get them more views. I can tell you for sure that it is hard to make a lot of money quickly because if it were easy, the people who make the videos would be sitting around listening to music instead of making them. It's true that listening to music can help you make more money online, but you must approach it with the proper mindset. And this is in no way a way to make enough money online to live on. It's a way to make some extra money on the side. It's clear that this is not the best way to make free money online. But if you like to listen to music, it could be a way to make extra money. And in this video, I'll show you where to find more information if you want to find even better ways to make money. But for now, you now know what to anticipate from this income potential. Now, let's look at the 5 legal ways you can make money online by listening to music. The first pick on this list is Current, which is an application. So if you like to listen to music on your phone, this is something you can do. It also gives you other ways to make money, like paid surveys and a few other tasks. You can leave it running while you listen to music and make a good amount of money. As you can see here, they also say that you could make up to $600 a year. Even though it's possible, it's not a sure thing. That depends, of course, on how often you use it, where you live, and a few other things. But the fact that you can join it no matter where you reside is wonderful. Also, it's easy to get paid. All you need is $1 to be able to withdraw your money. They'd also sell a variety of goods and give you the option to be paid in cash through PayPal. Because of this, both the threshold and the ways to pay are great. The next site is Slice the Pie, where you can get paid to express an opinion on music and get paid for it. In fact, there are times when you may be paid to provide feedback on clothing or other goods, as well as in a few cases, by completing assessments. Even though it pays fairly well, it's still not a good way to make a lot of money. Also, you can't be sure that you'll always be able to listen to music here. Additionally, you should be aware that not all nations offer it, although they are not entirely certain which nations actually have it. It seems to be available in most countries where English is spoken, but the only way to know for sure if you can join from your country is to go to the website. If you can get to the website, you can sign up and start making money by giving your opinion on the music you hear. Once you have made $10, you can use PayPal to get your money in cash. Since there isn't always music to listen to, it might still take some time to reach the payout threshold, even though it's not very high. The next website is called Predictor. It can be accessed from almost any country, and it can be a lot of fun because you can usually review songs and give feedback on them before they are officially released. So if you like discovering new music, this is a great way to do it. But unlike the other sites on our list, you can't be sure of making money with Predictor, which is a downside. On this platform, you get points, and you can use those points to enter a weekly or monthly drawing for an Amazon gift card. But you won't be able to cash them out or use them for anything else, and you'll also need the luck to win the raffle. Because of this, it's not the best way to make money. In all honesty, if you don't have luck, you can't be sure you'll make money. If you don't like that kind of gambling, use one of the other sites instead. But if you like finding new music, this could be a good way to spend some time. At the same time, you'll have a chance to win some very nice prizes. The next option is AA Music. It's a phone app that lets you make money just by listening to music. There are no other rules, and you can make money just by using Apple Music, Google Play Music, or Spotify. After joining, you can listen to one of their playlists and start earning as you progress or as you earn. Also, it is available in almost all places, but where you live will affect how much money you can make before you reach the payout threshold, which is $2 for Bitcoin payments and $5 for PayPal payments. You will need a lot of patience and to wait for a few days. But if you like to listen to new music or music by up-and-coming artists, this app might be worth checking out because you will basically be making money without doing much. All you have to do is leave the playlist on your phone going, but you should know that it takes time to make enough money to live on. The playlist push is the last real site on the list, and you must have a Spotify or TikTok account to apply on this site. Unlike most of the other sites on our list where you can make money no matter how much experience you have. Playlist Push is one of the sites with some of the strictest rules, but if Playlist Push accepts you, you could get up to $12 for every music review you send them. This is up to you, and nothing says you have to do it. You have to realize that this is a lot of work. It's not exactly an easy way to make money quickly. But if you already have a TikTok account with a lot of followers or a lot of people who listen to your Spotify playlists, this could be a chance to find new music and make a little extra money by reviewing songs. You may join from essentially all nations as well. You can also use TransferWise to get your money out in cash once you've made $20. Because of this, it also gives a really great way to pay. Overall, it's important to go into this with the right mindset. There aren't many ways to make money online by listening to music, and it probably won't be enough to replace your job. However, if it's something you enjoy, it can be a good way to make a little extra money on the side. In this video, I told you about a few real websites where you can really make money while listening to music. I hope this video gave you some good advice, and that's all there is to it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell before we leave, so we'll let you know every time we make a new video about how to make money online or new creative ways to get out of debt, and you can start right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't be afraid to leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts about it. With that being noted, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.